Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Our Home to Yours. Tomorrow is Thai Pusam. That means in Tamil month, Thai it's between January 15th and February 15th. On the Purnima day, full moon and the Pusa Nakshatra comes together. We celebrate Thai Pusam, the month of Thai, and then the Nakshatra Pusam. That one is the festival celebration is for Lord Muruga, the god of victory. Thaipusam is celebrated mostly by Tamil speaking people in all over the world, mainly in Malaysia, Singapore, Mauritius, and in Tamil Nadu, and wherever other cities we have Murugan, so they celebrate Thaipusam festival. So on the Thaipusam day, Goddess Shakti gave the veil to Lord Muruga to fight with the Ashura, Taragashura and Badmashura. Taragashura and Shurabhatma. And some they say Thaipusam is the birth of Lord Muruga, but Lord Muruga's birth is in the month of Vaikashi, Visaga Nakshatra. And there are three different versions. One more is all the six babies. Shakti joined them together and made Armuga, Muruga with six faces. Either way, whatever version, we celebrate Thaipusam for Lord Muruga's blessings. Normally, we do fasting. Some they don't eat anything whole day. They eat only fruit and milk. Some they do like they eat in the night. So we can do the fasting according to the age and then the health. On Thaipusam day, the golden car or the Ter Radham or the silver Radham of the temple that goes on procession. This golden car is from Marudamalai near Coimbatore, the famous Muruga temple. We can offer for Lord Muruga any red, orange fruits or sweets, appam, his favorite, made with wheat flour, jaggery and cardamom, mix it and fry it in the oil. So we can offer the fruits or appam. In Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, they celebrate Thaipusam in a grand way. It's a local holiday for them. This Murugan is from Pattumadai or Batu Caves in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. On Thaipusam day, people take kavadi. There are so many different types of kavadis are there. People fast and then they pray if any health issues or any problem. So they pray to Lord Muruga. They will take the kavadi. So that way they will get the blessing and get rid of any problems in their life. This is another kind. This is called Pushpa Kavadi. That means the kavadi is made with flowers. This is Mayil Kavadi. They tie the peacock feathers on the kavadi. This is different kind. Some more kavadis. Even small kids, they do the kavadi. In Tamil Nadu, in Palani, Baladandayadapani temple, Thaipusam celebrated in a grand way. In all the Murugan temples in Tamil Nadu they do, but people they do fasting and then they walk from different cities to Palani. Maybe it will take a week or 10 days. They go walk and then they reach the Palani hills on the day of Thaipusam. And then they go climb the steps to the hills. And whoever cannot walk or climb, they can use small winch like that, and then they reach the Palani hills. And some they take milk in the pot and then they hold it on the head and then they walk to the temple, and some they go in the procession or they do with rose water. So those are called Pal Kavadi, Paneer Kavadi, Pushpa Kavadi, Matcha Kavadi. So different kinds of kavadis. They do fasting, and then some they poke with the small spear, the veil and the tongue. So it's depend upon how they pray, how they take the kavadi. So they do different kinds. So kavadi is very very important for Thaipusam festival, and people start for the marriage talks, all this on this day. And when you do the fasting for the Thaipusam for Muruga, so all the evil things surrounding us will be gone, and with the blessing of Lord Muruga. So we all pray to Lord Muruga tomorrow, the Thaipusam Purnima day, and so the Pusa Nakshatra is for Prahaspati, Lord Guru Bhagavan also. So if we pray, so we will get the blessing of Lord Guru, Prahaspati and Lord Muruga. Let's all pray to Lord Muruga to get rid of now the coronavirus and bless us all to have healthy, wealthy, long, happy, good life. So whoever are waiting for the marriage, so you can start the wedding talk or marriage talk tomorrow and then plan. So I wish you all the best, and let's Lord Muruga and Prahaspati bless us all. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please like it, share and subscribe it. Thank you so much. முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா, கந்தனுக்கு அரோகரா, கடம்பனுக்கு அரோகரா, பாலதண்டாயுதபாணிக்கு அரோகரா, கார்த்திகேயனுக்கு அரோகரா. शुभमंगल.